Hey guys, question I wanted to ask you today is, do you know what your own personal investment criteria is? Now, I'll tell you why I'm asking that question is we recently brought out a new video on our new YouTube channel where we analyzed a student accommodation property deal here in the Western Cape in the town of Wellington. And based on our own investment criteria, we decided to not go ahead with the deal. And some of you guys have reached out to me and asked me, how do you actually know and how do you determine your own personal investment criteria? So what I decided to do is I'm going to share 3 key points that we use to basically determine our own investment criteria. Now, the first one is, guys, you need to know what your cash flow goal is. What do I mean with cash flow? Cash flow is basically your gross income, your total income minus your expenses, the money that's left over in your bank account each month. You need to know what that goal is before you start to invest in property. Because when we start looking at property, we want to pick the opportunities that's going to move you closer to that cash flow goal. The second one, guys, is all about timing, right? So all of us come from different backgrounds, different ages, etc. So what is your timing goal? For example, I had a goal to basically replace my net salary within a 3 to 4 year time period. Now, it's important for you to know, when do you want to reach that specific cash flow goal? Is it 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, right? So we know what we're working with in terms of timing. And then thirdly, might sound a little bit odd, but we need to know what is your personal skill level when it comes to investing in property. If you've got a high skill level, it's going to mean that you're going to be able to find the deals. You'll know who needs to manage the property and what basic list they need to follow to be able to manage your asset correctly. If you don't have the right skill level, then guys, it is extremely important that you educate yourself and that you speak to the right people. Okay, guys, so those are the 3 key things that I would recommend that you start with if you want to start working out your own investment criteria. And what I'm going to do, guys, over the next week, I'm going to do 5 free discovery calls with people, professional driven individuals that wants to gain more clarity on these 3 points: cash flow goal, your timing, and your skill level, right? So if you want to opt in for the free discovery calls to get clarity around that, I want you to drop in the comment section the word skill, SKILL. Drop it in the comment section. We'll reach out to you with a convenient time to assist you to get more clarity on these 3 points. Guys, I hope you have an awesome week and chat to you soon.